water. In the whole Indian subcontinent, the monsoon lasts for only 4 months and gives water only for 4 months. So, in that area in our country where the Himalayan rivers do not reach, there is a need to trap that water which comes for only 4 months to last for the whole year. In 2013, Rotary Club of Hillside donated $30,000 to foundation for global grant. With contribution from foreign clubs and foundation, almost 60 lakhs are coming from the foundation for our disposal for water. Well, of course, there are 12 other clubs which want to participate and make this a mega project for water. Now, let us straightway go back to the projects. The first project is going to be at Tamanewadi. Tamanewadi is at Yavat. Yavat is extremely drought prone area. The Pazhar Talav or water body dug for percolation was created in 1968. In rainy season, water from surrounding area collects in it. The wells in surrounding 5 villages depend on this water body. The area needed to be dug up is 40,000 cubic meters. Around 10,000 population will be benefited. The silt is collected in this water body since 1968. Presently, the capacity of this water body is less than 50%. 500 hectares of land will be irrigated if this water body is filled up after digging the silt. 40 crore liters of water is expected to collect in this dug up water body. Well, coming to the second project. The second project is at Tarangwadi, Indapur. Indapur is another very drought prone area. It entirely depends on water supplied from Khadakwasla Dam. At Tarangwadi, 2 water carrying canals join and a bund is erected at their junction. Excavation of silt as per Shirpur pattern is going to be done in 300 meter lengths of both the canals. Water will be retained in those excavated areas and this water will percolate to the nearby wells. 3 villages and 4,000 population is going to be benefited because of this project. Gothre. Gothre is near Zunnar Shivneri. Gothre entirely depends on water tankers and is totally a drought prone area. It is also a backward area. The whole village after rainy season works as labor in nearby areas. As they do not have any water after rainy season, there is a strong need to do rainwater harvesting in that area. A stream flows down the hills in rainy season. There is a bund on the stream. The bund outflow area needs to be elevated and the area behind the bund needs to be excavated. The wells are on the lower level. Now, the fourth project is at Alefata. There is a well which provides water to the community. Water is going to be obstructed with a cement bund upstream because there is a stream which feeds the well. This will obstruct the water, increase the percolation in the well water. At Kolewadi, Alefata, the dashing Sarpanch has used every trick in the book to increase the groundwater level. They want to elevate the wall of the canal so that more water accumulates in the canal. In Sakurde, there is need to desilt 15 canals and build bandharas. This is a Shaniwarwada project. At Ekhatpur, there is a need to desilt 7 bandharas with repairing of the bunds. This is a RC Kothrud project. This project will irrigate 278 hectares of land and will benefit 140 families. Well, the next projects are borewells and groundwater recharge. At Haltep and Tartep in Raigad Jilla, there is a very drought prone area where there is a heavy rain for 4 months and then there is no water at all. The community is backward. They all work as either servants or labor on somebody else's land. In Haltep Tartep, there is going to be a bund on a stream which will obstruct the water. The water will percolate to the well. There is also going to be a well recharge pit dug up near the well. There is also going to be a bore well which is going to be repaired, and the recharge mechanism is going to be set in Haltep Tartep in that bore well. Then coming to another point in Raigad Jilla, this project is in a beautiful area called Ambe Machi. In Ambe Machi, this Vasti again gets very heavy rains because Ambe Machi is on Mahabaleshwar Pathar. Heavy rains for 4 months and then not a single drop of water. They have to go for miles in search of water during rest of the time. So there again the bore well is going to be dug. In Mahad, bore well is going to be dug, but the precondition to digging up all the bore wells is that all the villages must do rainwater harvesting. The roof water which gets collected during rains should be collected and should be harvested. Only then the bore wells are going to be dug. Unless and until the villagers do not have this recharge mechanism in place, the bore wells are not going to be dug. A unique project was done by President of Uptown few months back. In Nutan Marathi Prashala in Pune city, he collected roof rainwater, brought it down through pipes, filtered it, and again took it to the terrace tank and distributed to all the toilets. This is a problem solved permanently. The host club of this global grant is Rotary Club of Pune Hillside. The names of the partner clubs are Shaniwarwada, Mahad, Panvel Midtown, Kothrud, Junnar Shivneri, Alefata, Metro, West Side and Pune. Friends, this way we are working towards our aim of making our district 3131 tanker free. Thank you.